Hi friends, welcome to my channel Physics and Chemistry. So in the Physics and Chemistry today I explain about the 6th class chapters. Okay, how many chapters were there total? 16 chapters in science. Okay, so first chapter is our food, and second chapter is playing with magnets, and rain, where does it comes from? Third chapter is next. Fourth chapter is what do animals eat, and fifth chapter is materials and things. Sixth chapter is habitat. Seventh one, separation of substances. Eighth chapter, fiber to fabric. Ninth chapter, plants, parts and functions. 10th chapter, changes around us. 11th chapter, water in our life. 12th chapter, simple electric circuits. 13th chapter, learning how to measure. 14th, movements in animals. 15th, lights, shadows and images. 16th one, living and non-living. So first in the our food chapter we discussing about the ingredients. Okay, different types of foods, preparations, these all methods we discussing in this our food. Next, playing with magnets. In the playing with magnets, how many types of magnets is there, and definitions of the magnets and non-magnetic materials, magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials, and earth is also acts like a magnet. Next, third chapter is rain, where does it come from? Okay, so rain, where does it come? So in the rain chapter, from where we get the rain? From the sky, rain is coming. So where does it come from? And again that is in a circular, okay na, one circular statement. So we discussing that what do animals eat, and some types of animals and eat some different types of foods. So we discussing that all types of the foods in this. Materials and things. So we take some different materials and different things. What is the materials and things? Different types. That habitats. So habitat, in the habitat chapter we discussing habitats, total habitats. Next is separation of the substances. In the separation of substances, how to separate the substances. Next, fiber to fabric. In the fiber to fabric, from the fiber to we get the fabric. Okay, how we can get it. Next, plants, parts and functions. So each and every plant have some different parts, and some each and every part makes some function. So for plants parts we discussing that functions and parts of the plants. Changes around us. So changes around us. In the changes around us we discussing changes, how much of changes occurred. So sunny days and rainy days and remaining. That water in our life. So without water we can't live. Okay, so what is the precious of water, in what is the importance of water in our life? Simple electric circuits. So that's a parallel methods, a series methods. So we discussing that. Learning how to measure. So do you know the measurement tape? So from the measurement and temperature measurement we use some different equipments for that. Okay, learning in this chapter measurements. Movements in animals. So animals movements. Okay, how animals are moving, each and every animal moving some different way. We discussing that light, shadows and images. So light, shadows and images. When we switch on the light in our home, so we get a shadow and image, that living and non-living things. So this is the introduction class of the 6th class science. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.